Hello and welcome to English with Friends, where two friends have real-life conversations in slow, clear English. I'm Emma and I'm British.
And I'm Jake. I'm American.
We're at a cafe and Jake has just ordered something very different from what he expected.
Today, you'll learn how the same English word can mean two different things.
No, listen, when I say chips, I do not mean crisps.
I'm just saying, you pointed at the menu and you said chips.
Because they are chips. Big, hot, proper chips. The little crunchy ones in a bag, those are crisps.
So what do I call the bag ones?
Crisps, obviously.
Nothing about that is obvious.
Right, so, okay. In Britain, it's a whole system. Chips are the hot ones, crisps are the packet ones. It's elegant, Jake.
It's two words doing the job of two words.
Yes, that's the point.
We just say chips and fries.
And which is which?
The bag ones are chips, the hot ones are fries.
So you've got it completely backwards.
We don't have it backwards. You have it backwards. There's more of us.
Oh, it's a democracy now, is it? Because if we're actually counting heads, then I think
We
you'll
are
find...
counting heads, and you lost.
God, fine. But your chips are thinner and saltier, which is a worse chip.
Fry.
A worse fry, then. Happy?
A little, yeah. Huh.
What?
We just spent 4 minutes on potatoes.
And we're not even on the same page about the potatoes. That's the tragedy of it. See, this is a chip. I'm holding a chip.
You're holding a fry.
I refuse.
To be fair, no wonder we always get our wires crossed at lunch.
Our what?
Wires crossed. Like, the signals get mixed up. You say one thing, I hear another.
Right, yes. Honestly, that's us every single time. And don't even start me on trousers.
What's wrong with pants?
Pants are underwear.
Pants are pants.
So you've just announced to the whole cafe that you're not wearing any trousers.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay, that one I'll give you.
You see, even you think trousers is the better.
I never said that.
You said you'd give me...
I gave you the underwear thing. I did not give you the whole word. Don't put words in my mouth. You do that.
Sorry, that's... Okay, no, that's fair.
What else have you got? Go on.
Right, okay. Toilet. Where I'm from, you just say it. Where's the toilet? Done. Sorted.
See, you can't just say that.
Say what? Toilet?
It's so blunt. We say restroom.
Restroom. Rest from what? It's not a little holiday.
Or bathroom.
There's no bath in it. You're not having a soak at the petrol station, Jake.
It's a softer word. Nobody wants the hard word.
Toilet is the soft word. It's already doing its absolute best.
Fine.
And the bin. You don't even have a bin.
We have a trash can.
A trash can. Like it's been knighted.
What do you call it then?
The bin. Rubbish goes in the bin. One word does everything.
We'd say garbage. Or trash. Depends.
2 words for one bin. And you said my chip system was complicated.
And trainers.
What about trainers?
You call them trainers. They're sneakers.
Because you sneak around in them, do you?
Training for what, exactly? You wore them to brunch on Sunday.
That's different.
You had a mimosa in your sneakers.
Okay, that one's a draw.
Fine. Can I do one?
Go on.
You say cheers for everything. Someone holds a door. Cheers. Coffee turns up. Cheers. I watched you say cheers to a cash machine.
I did not.
You absolutely did. It gave you your money, and you thanked it. Out loud.
That's just manners. It did me a favor.
It's a machine, Emma.
People are rude to machines. I won't be part of it. One day they'll remember who was kind.
When the machines rise up, they'll spare you.
They'll spare me.
Okay.
Right, so, and this one really got him. My co-worker, this American guy, Dev. I walked past his desk and I went, "You all right?" Just, normal. And he went all weird on me.
Wait, was he not all right?
He was completely fine. That's the whole point. You all right? It's a hello. It's a greeting. It's just a hello, Jake.
See, where I'm from, if someone says, "You all right," it means I look like I'm about to pass out.
That's what he thought. He spent the whole afternoon convinced he looked ill. I had to explain.
Did you, though? Or did you just say, "You all right," again and make it worse?
The second one.
Beautiful.
Oh, and queuing. You don't even queue.
We do. We just call it a line.
A line. No. A queue is a sacred thing. There are rules. You don't just stand in a line.
You stand in a line.
You join the queue. You hold your place. You tut at the person who pushes in. It's not a line, Jake. It's a small civilization.
It's people waiting.
It's people waiting correctly.
God help me.
You'd love it once you understood it.
I would never love it.
You'd tut. Within a week, you'd be tutting.
I might tut.
It all just gets lost in translation, doesn't it? Same language, allegedly, and still half of it just disappears between my mouth and your ears.
Allegedly.
Shall we get pudding?
Pudding. It's a brownie.
Pudding's the whole category. Dessert. Anything sweet at the end.
Huh. We'd just say dessert.
Boring. So, pudding?
Yeah. I'll get the check.
The bill?
I will get the check.
Okay, your turn then.
My turn for what?
The word. The one you miss. You've been living over here 3 years. There's got to be one. There's a word. I can see there's a word.
It's stupid.
Tell me.
Y'all. I miss y'all.
Yeah?
My old teacher would have marked me down for it. It's barely a word. But it means everyone. The whole room all at once. My mom says it. My whole family says it. I haven't said it out loud in 3 years. Sounds ridiculous here.
It doesn't sound ridiculous.
It's not really about the word.
No, I know. Funny. This whole time I thought it was just the words getting lost in translation. The chips and the crisps and all that.
It's never the words. You're defending Manchester. I'm defending a kitchen in Portland.
God, that's annoyingly nice. Don't do that.
Eat your fries.
Chips.
Chips.